Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how you can hide your following list on Instagram. So right now, people could just go ahead and click on my following and see who I'm following. So to change that, you're going to want to click the top 3 lines on the top right. You're going to want to click settings. And then from there, you're going to want to click account. And first, you're going to want to make sure you're on a personal account. To see if you're on a personal account, on the bottom right here, it would say switch to professional account. If it says switch to a personal account, you're going to want to switch to a personal account. Otherwise, if it says switch to a professional account, you are on the personal account and you are perfectly fine to continue on. So from here, you're going to want to go out of account and you're going to want to click privacy right under notifications. And from here, you're going to want to click private account, toggle that on. And once you toggle this on, it says right here, only your followers will be able to see your photos and videos. And at the same time, no one will be able to see who you're following. So switch to private and just like that. And now someone that isn't following you wouldn't be able to see who you're following or who you're not following. And obviously to turn it off, all you have to do is just toggle it back off, switch to public, and just like that, you are back on public.